Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, Uipath installed and Chrome running a supported version. Once done, open Chrome's Extensions page and turn on Developer Mode so you can add the connector. Next, from Uipath Studio or Assistant, choose Extensions right arrow Chrome. This triggers a prompt or a CRX installation flow. Make sure you accept permissions. You're starting actual installation now, not just setup, because Chrome needs explicit extension activation to let Uipath interact with web pages. Now you install and enable the extension. If the prompt appears, click Add Extension. If you have a CRX file, drag it into the Extensions page and confirm. Once added, grant the extension permissions so Uipath can access and interact with web elements. This is required for selectors to work reliably. After installation, enable the extension toggle and pin it to the toolbar for easy access. Make sure Chrome shows the extension as active before moving to Uipath Studio to validate connectivity. Finish by validating the connection in Uipath Studio. Go to Extensions, verify Chrome shows installed, and click Install or Update if required. Once installed, restart both Chrome and Uipath to complete handshake. If Uipath still cannot attach to a browser, recheck extension permissions and ensure developer mode is set correctly. Sometimes clearing the browser cache and re-enabling the extension fixes stale state. If that fails, reinstall the extension from Uipath Studio and repeat validation. This results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.